We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive analysis of the XEODE Welcome to My Crib flag, the 2-ounce 3 feet durable man cave wall flag with brass grommets. If you own this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Now, let's dive deep into what users like and dislike about this flag, its features, performance, usability, and overall impression. The XEODE Welcome to My Crib flag is designed as a fun and bold statement piece for a variety of spaces. Its dimensions, 2 feet by 3 feet or 24 by 36 inches, make it a substantial addition to any wall, whether in a college dorm room, bedroom, man cave, or even as an accent at parties or events. The manufacturer advertises it as a versatile banner suitable for students, sports teams, friends, coworkers, family, and anyone looking to add a touch of humor and personality to their space. The flag is made from polyester cloth fabric, which is promoted as both quality and durable. According to the product details, the colors are sharp and vivid, and the fabric is resistant to UV dyes, wind, rain, and strong sunshine, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. 4 brass grommets are included for easy hanging and extra durability. The flag uses advanced printing technology to ensure the image is clear and resistant to fading over time. XEODE also offers a 30-day return and money-back guarantee, which provides an extra layer of confidence for buyers. User reviews across multiple platforms highlight several key aspects of the Welcome to My Crib flag. Many users praise the flag for its humor and impact as a gift, especially for teenagers and college students. One reviewer noted that this item made a fussy 14-year-old very happy, which is described as no easy trick. Others mention that the flag is perfect for dorm room decor, bringing a sense of fun and individuality to otherwise plain walls. For those seeking a lighthearted and memorable gift, several users report that their recipients loved the flag, with one stating that their friend was delighted with it. The flag's large size is consistently mentioned as a positive, with users appreciating its ability to cover a significant portion of wall space and serve as a focal point in a room. The brass grommets are also highlighted as a practical feature, making the flag easy to hang and reposition without damaging the fabric. Several reviewers mentioned the advanced printing and the vibrancy of the design, with particular praise for the clarity and color of the images, such as the duck motif featured on some versions of the flag. The lightweight nature of the flag, at just 1.44 ounces, makes it easy to handle, transport, and store, which is especially useful for students or anyone who moves frequently. However, not all feedback is positive. Some users express disappointment with the color saturation and material transparency. A recurring criticism is that the colors are not as bold or vivid as expected, and the material can be quite transparent, to the point where a hand placed behind the flag is visible through the fabric. This level of transparency may be a drawback for those seeking a more substantial or premium feel. One reviewer went so far as to say that the flag was so bad they threw it out, stating that the image was barely recognizable. While this is an outlier, it highlights the variability in user expectations and experiences. Other users note that the flag arrives folded, which can result in creases or folding marks. While some hope these marks will disappear over time, it is worth mentioning for those who want a flawless display immediately out of the package. Despite these criticisms, the overall customer rating stands at 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on 28 ratings, indicating that the majority of buyers are satisfied with their purchase. In terms of durability, the polyester fabric is touted as resistant to various weather conditions, including wind, rain, and sunshine. This makes the flag suitable for outdoor events, garden parties, or sports gatherings. The brass grommets are a notable advantage as they provide secure attachment points that reduce the risk of tearing or fraying, even with repeated use. Users who have hung the flag outdoors generally report that it holds up well, though the lightweight material means it may flutter or billow in strong winds. For indoor use, the flag's lightness is a benefit as it can be mounted with minimal hardware and does not place stress on walls or fixtures. The advanced printing technology is another selling point, with most users finding the images clear and resistant to fading. This is especially important for those who plan to use the flag as part of a themed room or recurring event, where longevity and visual appeal are priorities. The design of the Welcome to My Crib flag is intentionally playful, with the phrase, "Welcome to my crib," evoking a sense of hospitality and humor. This makes it a popular choice for college students, young adults, and anyone who enjoys pop culture references. The flag's aesthetic is versatile enough to complement a range of decor styles, from minimalist to eclectic. It can serve as a conversation starter at parties, a backdrop for social media photos, or simply a way to personalize a space. The flag's size and design also make it suitable for use as a temporary banner at events, such as birthday parties, sports games, or fraternity gatherings. Its portability and ease of installation mean it can be quickly set up and taken down as needed, without leaving marks or requiring special tools. One of the flag's strengths is its suitability as a gift. Multiple reviewers mention purchasing it for friends, family members, or classmates, often as a humorous or lighthearted present. The flag's universal appeal means it can be given to a wide range of recipients, from teenagers to adults, and for various occasions. The product's packaging and presentation are generally well received, with most users finding that it arrives as expected and matches the online description. The 30-day return and money-back guarantee further enhances its appeal as a low-risk gift option. Despite its many positive attributes, the flag is not without its limitations. The most common complaint is the transparency of the material. While the lightweight polyester is easy to handle and hang, it does not provide the opacity or heft of higher-end flags or banners. This may be a concern for users who want the flag to block light or serve as a more substantial decorative element. The color saturation is another point of contention, with some users finding the hues less vibrant than depicted in product photos. This can be particularly noticeable in brightly lit rooms or when the flag is hung against a contrasting background. The folding marks mentioned by several reviewers are another minor issue, though these may fade over time or with gentle ironing. For those who prioritize durability and visual impact above all else, these factors should be considered before purchasing. In terms of value, the XEODE Welcome to My Crib flag is competitively priced within its category. Its combination of size, design, and ease of use make it a strong contender for anyone seeking affordable and fun wall decor. The product's ranking, number 27,412 in patio, lawn, and garden, and number 711 in outdoor flags and banners, suggests it is a popular choice among buyers looking for decorative flags and banners. The majority of users find that the flag delivers on its promises, providing a humorous and eye-catching addition to their space. The few negative reviews are outweighed by the positive, but they do highlight the importance of managing expectations regarding material quality and color vibrancy. From a usability perspective, the flag is straightforward to install and maintain. The brass grommets allow for flexible hanging options, whether using hooks, nails, or string. The lightweight fabric means it can be mounted on a variety of surfaces without causing damage. Cleaning and care are simple, with most users finding that the flag can be spot cleaned or gently washed if needed. The polyester material dries quickly and resists wrinkling, though some initial creases may require attention. For those who plan to use the flag outdoors, it is advisable to bring it inside during extreme weather to prolong its lifespan. The flag's portability also makes it a convenient option for travel, events, or temporary displays. The overall impression of the XEODE Welcome to My Crib flag is that it is a fun, affordable, and versatile decorative piece that appeals to a wide audience. Its strengths lie in its humor, ease of use, and suitability as a gift. The main drawbacks are the transparency of the material and the potential for less vibrant colors than shown in product images. For most buyers, these issues are minor compared to the flag's impact as a conversation starter and room accent. The product's positive customer rating and strong sales rank indicate that it meets the needs of its target market. The 30-day return policy provides additional reassurance for those who are unsure. In summary, the XEODE Welcome to My Crib flag is a popular choice for anyone seeking to add a touch of humor and personality to their living space. Its large size, lightweight construction, and easy installation make it an attractive option for students, young adults, and gift givers. While the material may be more transparent than some users prefer, and the colors may not always match the vibrancy of online photos, the flag delivers on its promise of fun and functional decor. If you are looking for an affordable and memorable wall flag for your dorm, bedroom, or event, this product is worth considering. Remember to check the link in the description to view the product and support the channel. If you have experience with this flag, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.